Welcome to Togile CRM. In this video, let's understand a core concept. What are entities in CRM? In simple terms, an entity is a major module or section in your CRM that stores a specific type of business data. To begin, click on Leads in the sidebar. Let's start with leads, your CRM's first stop for new opportunities. A lead is a potential customer who has shown interest but hasn't entered your sales pipeline yet. Next up, deals. This is where your sales journey really begins. A deal represents a potential sale, tracked through stages from initial contact to closing. Every deal needs a human connection. That's where contacts come in. A contact is an individual you communicate with, typically associated with a company or deal. Access full profiles of your contacts, including communication history and linked deals. If you are selling B2B, the Companies tab gives you the big picture. A company is the organization linked to your contacts, deals, and communication history. View all activity, contacts, and deals tied to a company for complete account-level visibility. Then click on 3 dots. Never drop the ball again. Tasks help you stay on top of every follow-up. A task is an actionable item like a follow-up call or reminder tied to your sales process. Stay on top of your to-dos by viewing all tasks with due dates, priority, and status. Next up, click on Call Logs. Your call history, tracked, logged, and ready for review. Call logs track every sales call made or received. View a complete history of your sales calls, with timestamps, outcomes, and call notes. Next, click on Meetings. Meetings move deals forward, and your CRM should help you prep like a pro. A meeting is a scheduled interaction, logged with context, attendees, and outcomes. See all your scheduled meetings, notes, and follow-ups, organized by contact or deal. After that, click on Mail because sales runs on conversations, and your inbox should be inside your CRM. Mail connects your email inbox to your CRM, keeping conversations centralized and contextual. View every email conversation synced with your CRM, right inside the contact or deal timeline. After that, click on Calendar. See all your meetings, tasks, and reminders in a unified calendar, color-coded and auto-synced. Together, these entities form the backbone of your CRM, giving you complete control over your customer journey. Stay tuned for detailed videos on each one.